Alright, hi guys, welcome to my video. I'm playing PS1, and I heard that the basic B is really a little bit rare, like the good one. So, this is Rhino Beetle, and I'm doing my quest today, and I'm gonna hopefully maybe do something. Hopefully, maybe. Ah, spider, please no, please no, please no. No, 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 no. No, 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 oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Allah! Yeah! Okay, so I got this part of the quest on Beetle Battle. I think that's for Panda Man. So today I'm gonna hopefully get something. I'm gonna be dodges. Ow, 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 dodges. Ow. Alright, I got a bunch of items, and that's nice. So, it's time to turn in this quest, I think, to Panda Boy. Oh, it's turning nighttime. I got a little bit better, and I read a bunch of stuff and know a lot of secrets now, and then I'm pro. My friends are pro, so they show me how to pro. Blah, 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 blah. Come on, I already killed the spider. Noob. Get better, noob. Hey, these are my fireflies. No, for me firefly. Yes, moonchime, yes. Okay, I know my pollen container's full, but I want the moon charms. Charms of the moon. How charming is the moon? Moon charm, yes. Okay, so how it works is once you get every single firefly off floating in the sky, you get a moon charm from fireflies, and then once you do it like 3 times or something like that, they go away. I would want I really would want a honey storm, but like my friends aren't really doing so. Let me just go to hope it's just no. Alright, so this boy, I need to level up my basic B. They like sunflower seeds, right? Yeah, sunflower seeds is what they like. I'm gonna check my quests. I need treats and blueberries. Bumblebee is good and Bucklebee is good. So I'm just gonna upgrade. Yeah. Let's see. That won't level it up, so I'll get Bucklebee. Oh no, that's a bit expensive. So I'll just give him 3. And then I have to have 30 treats. Okay, I could. Did that level up my basic? No. Will that level up mine? No. But that won't. Alright, well, it's a bit difficult getting stuff like that then. I'm gonna check how expensive the egg is, because hopefully that'll do good. Good things. Oh, it's expensive. That's pricey. Yeah, there's computer thing over. There's computer thing over there, so I'll get. Oh yeah, this is a microconverter, I think. 3. Ooh. If you do the digital B thing, I might do a video on that. So, I
don't know.
Oh hey, those are my friends. They're in a call with me, I guess. So yeah, that's pretty cool. They're just not in the game. They're like talking to each other. So, I'm just gonna get these sunflower seeds. Help level my bees, but then I should do a quest too, shouldn't I? Oh, I got a badge. Nice, it gives me tickets. That's good. Oh wow, there's a lot of badges I need to get. Mushroom, blue flower, or brown bear. Brown bear man. Wait, you see those bees with chair? Oh, they're going to star thing. I think that's a place where stuff happens. Something like that. Yes, this one. Where the bees make honey for me. King Beetle's down there. Yeah. Oh, I still need more legendaries for a honey storm. I don't think I have any legendaries. Oh, okay. The request. Ooh, white pollen and mushroom field. I guess I can go to the mushroom field. Someone's killing the king beetle. That one's a really hard boss. So I gotta get sharp. That's level 7. I go over here to the mushroom field. Oh no. Bees, attack. Attack them bees. Ah, yes. Oh, okay. Well, that blue bomb really doesn't do anything in the red field, because it only gets blue stuff. My friends and stuff, I learned things, I figured things out, I read stuff, too. It's time to go over here and make honey. I'll try to get quests. When is quest for blue flower? Yeah, there's a quest for ID fetcher. I'm pretty sure that's for black. So I guess I'll go do that, and it's nice. Oh yeah, another good thing is that we've hit. Oh, cat bee, meow 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 meow. My me when cat video and my point of view bee from Beach Hunter new video. Yes. So the thing is, I have over 25 subscribers now, and thanks. That's a nice goal, and I like I said, achieved it. I've been wanting that for a while, and I got it, and yay! This isn't the start. You can't really call me popular, but I'm not bad, I guess. So I'm just gonna keep doing videos, and my Mega Boss Survival House, Blue House 1, is on level 1000. That's nice. If I hit 1,000 views on that, that would be really good. I would really like that. I should get a bigger backpack. This one's really small. But I almost have enough for a new egg. And I want a good bee. Let me get this ticket. These 3 tickets. Oh, honey storm. Yes, ticket. Ooh, honey. Yeah, I got all this. Yes, and the honey storms get summoned, it's really helpful. There's also bees that can speed up players. And like the fast bee and the light bee. Those bees, and I'm pretty sure like Fortnite Ninja Bee can also do that, so yeah, they like I think I can check Hasty Bee, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, speed up and stuff. Am I in the group? Yeah, I'm in the group. Yeah, this buff, haste. Should have used that. And it gives me honey. Let's see how much the next backpack is. It's expensive buying it. I guess I'll go back. Let's see what my next quest is. Oh, I can go back to Black Bear. That's nice. Just get this honey first. I got a lot of tips and things, how to do things and stuff. And, yeah. White silver egg, yes. And I got the silver egg. And this one is like a quest. I eventually get the golden one and diamond and eventually mythical if I make it that far. Another bumblebee? Come on. No. Whatever, I'll just feed treats to it. Looks like I'm a blue beekeeper now. I'll do that. And now I should. Okay. Let's see if I can fight the commando chicken, the egg boy. Because I'm pretty sure my bees are high enough level. I've discovered 8 types and I can use the slingshot. This guy's just shot an energy beam with that staff thing of his, and that's cool. I should keep doing the brown bear quests. But, I'll go on and get more things. I want to collect a lot of bees. Let's see. Bees, come on. Oh, he's injured already. He's only level 3. Get him, yeah. Get him. No. Grenades. Alright, I got him. Well, I made more progress. This is just the thing to see that I'm still doing Beast Farm. I guess bye and see you at the time.